Here I have LENOVO K6 Note and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. Now scroll down and here under personal tab you have to find language and input. Let's choose it. So now from the following settings, let's choose language from the top of the screen. Here you've got the full list of available languages that you can use on that device. So let me just show you how to change language. So let me switch language from English to Spanish. Let's tap on Espanol, for example, from España. And as you can see now, the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, find and select Configuración, scroll down, choose Idioma y Entrada, tap Idioma from the top of the list, and here you have to choose English, for instance, from United Kingdom. So that's it. Everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.